Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Ram. So friends, today I am going to start basically a new playlist that is basically completely focused on the economics for engineer. Okay, so भाई मेरे YouTube चैनल पे बहुत सारा कमेंट आ रहा था, बहुत सारे लोग भी हमको बोल रहे थे भैया प्लीज मेक अ प्रॉपर प्लेलिस्ट ऑन इकोनॉमिक्स फॉर इंजीनियर सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, क्योंकि आप YouTube पे भी सर्च करके देख सकते हैं, कोई बहुत कम ही प्लेलिस्ट है अवेलेबल, वो भी अवेलेबल तो वो भी स्पेसिफिक नहीं है फॉर गेटिंग द गुड CGPA गुड मार्क्स इन द कॉलेज एग्जाम. ओके, सो अगर आप स्टूडेंट्स है जो कि कॉलेज एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं या कोई बेसिकली बीटेक स्टूडेंट्स है, ओके, सो आपका बेसिकली एक पेपर होता है इकोनॉमिक्स फॉर इंजीनियर और इसको अदर नेम कर सकते हैं HMHU 201 या कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट मेनली फोकस होता है इकोनॉमिक्स फॉर इंजीनियर. ओके, सो मैं एक कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट बनाने वाला हूँ. ओके, टोटल कितने मॉड्यूल होंगे मैं इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा, टोटल सिलेबस. ओके, व्हाट विल योर सिलेबस for this subjects. Okay, and remember guys, if you will follow our channel, then I am being guaranteeing that you will get good marks in the upcoming semester, and I hope that you will basically follow our channel. Okay, so let us start the video without wasting our time guys. Okay, so first of all, economics for engineer. Okay, so this will be basically lecture 1, and just in this video I am give you about the introduction and syllabus. Okay, so first of all, why you have to study the economics for engineer guys. Okay, so you know very well guys that our country or basically any company, आप कोई भी कंपनी में जाए, that completely depend on economics. Okay, that may be basically financial or you can say general ethics too. Okay, क्योंकि without economics it is not possible to basically indulge in any type of industry. Okay, कोई भी आप मतलब इंडस्ट्री में आप जा रहे थे बिना इकोनॉमिक्स, whether you are basically if you don't know any idea about the cost estimation, how the basically cost is calculating for a particular project, very important thing, then you can't calculate, basically you can't survive on that market. Okay, so ये मार्केट में भाई सर्वाइव करने के लिए भी आपको इकोनॉमिक्स लाना है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई AICTC although means AICTC have included this in your syllabus. Okay, so this will be basically common syllabus for the CSC students, IT student, EC student, mechanical, electrical, EEE और अदर भी such as the CSC with specialization आप कर रहे हैं, then this will be the common syllabus. मे बी किन्हीं का थर्ड सेमेस्टर में हो, किन्हीं का सेकेंड सेम, किन्हीं का फोर्थ सेम, किन्हीं का फिफ्थ सेम, बट दिस विल बी द कंपल्सरी सिलेबस फॉर द बीटेक कोर्स का. सो दैट इज द ओवरव्यू ऑफ योर द इकोनॉमिक्स फॉर इंजीनियर सब्जेक्ट. Now let us come to the first, that what are the things or what are the module that we have to study. Okay, so mainly the module are divided into 10 and you can clearly visualize on the screen too. Okay, this will be the module. The first module is the economics decision making. Okay, so first module आपका है भाई economic decision making. Second module you can clearly visualize, that is the engineering cost and estimation, where you will study about the how to estimate the cost of a particular project. That is very important, informative, also important for your final exam too. Next module 3, that is the cash flow and interest and equivalence. So I will also discuss every module. Okay, so this will be your module 3. Module 4 will be cash flow and rate of return analysis, and fifth module is inflation and price change. Okay, and I think that we have clear cut idea about the inflation when the price of a basically market increase. मैं डिटेल में इस पे भी वीडियो लाऊंगा. ओके, क्योंकि हर एक मॉड्यूल का आपको वीक में 2 वीडियो आएगा और हर एक मॉड्यूल से बेसिकली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं मॉड्यूल 1 को कंप्लीट करूंगा, देन मॉड्यूल 2, मॉड्यूल 3, और कोई अगर वेरिएशन है देन आई विल आल्सो नोटिफाई यू. ओके, कमिंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल, दैट इज द मॉड्यूल 6. सो मॉड्यूल 6 विल बी दैट इज द प्रेजेंट बर्थ एनालिसिस. ओके, दिस इज वन द अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट मॉड्यूल फॉर यू. ओके, where we will study about the how to analysis the present birth. Then next module 7, that is the uncertainty. Okay, so uncertainty in the future event. Wait guys, I'm showing the slide. Okay, so next syllabus, that is the uncertainty in the future event, where we will study that how to basically minimize the any uncertainty that may arise in the further market. Okay, next module that you have to study, that is the depreciation. Next module, module 9, that is the replacement analysis, where you will study about the analysis of replacement, means किस तरह से कोई अगर प्रोडक्ट को रिप्लेस करना तो उसके मीन्स बिफोर टेकिंग दैट एक्शन हाउ टू बेसिकली एनालाइज दैट थिंग्स, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट विल कवर इन मॉड्यूल 9. एंड लास्ट मॉड्यूल, दैट इज द मॉड्यूल 10, अकाउंटिंग. ओके, सो दिस में बेसिकली आज एक मैं आपको बताता हूँ सिलेबस स्टार्ट करने से पहले, दैट दिस प्लेलिस्ट में टेक 2 to 3 मंथ. ओके, डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेरियस इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. अगर सब कुछ सही रहा तो टारगेट है 4 to 5 मंथ में इसको कंप्लीट कर देने का. ओके, एवरी मॉड्यूल का, एंड आई होप दैट बिफोर आपका मीन्स सेमेस्टर एग्जाम से पहले कंप्लीट कर दूँ. ओके, so this is all about that. Coming to the detailed syllabus. Okay, so in first module you will study about these important topics and clearly be like economic decision making. Okay, so you will study about the economic decision making, that is the module 1, where you will study about the overview, problem, role, decision making process. Then second module will be the engineering cost estimation, that I've already said, where डिटेल में बात करें तो फिक्स, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, ये सब मार्जिनल कॉस्ट क्या होता है, एवरेज कॉस्ट, संक कॉस्ट, अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट, रिकरिंग कॉस्ट, दे आर द थिंग्स you have to study further. Okay, then next thing that you have to study here in that is the non recurring cost में incremental cost, okay, cash cost, book cost, life cycle cost, type of estimating model you have to study. There I will study detail that what is per unit model, segmentation model, cost index. अभी आप बस ये सब रख ले कि you have to keep in mind that these are the things that you have to study. Coming to our next, that is the module 3 and 4. So in module 3 and 4, basically module 3 is complete about the cash flow, interest and equivalence. Next module module 3 is the cash flow, interest and equivalence. Module 4 will be the cash flow and rate of return analysis, where we will study about the various important calculation. There are lots of numerical related to that. Okay, I will also provide 2 to 3 numerical for each basically method. Okay, then annual cash flow you have to study in the module 4, incremental analysis, best alternative choosing and analysis, future worth analysis, benefit cost ratio. So lots of formula basically involved in the module 4 too. Coming to our next module, that is the module 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, so in module 5 basically you have to study the inflation and price change, where you will study about the what is the detailed concept of inflation, how it is important, what is the types of index, cost with index. Okay, then economic analysis, cash flow क्या होता है भाई, how the basically inflation vary. Okay, so these are the things that you have to study in the module 5. बात करते हैं module 6. So module 6 में आपको भाई पढ़ना है present birth analysis, where you will study about the end of year convention. Okay, व्यू पॉइंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस आपको दिया जाएगा, स्टडीज बोरोड मनी क्या होता है, ओके, एंड हाउ इट इज बेसिकली इफेक्टिव इन इकोनॉमिक्स. देन यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द इन्फ्लेशन एंड डिफ्लेशन, आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड. ओके, शॉर्ट में अगर अभी बात करें तो इन्फ्लेशन मींस बेसिकली व्हेन द प्राइस इंक्रीज, ओके, दैट वी कॉल द इन्फ्लेशन. मींस बेसिक अगर नॉर्मल प्राइस से उसका कोई इंक्रीज मींस कॉस्ट हो जाए देन दैट वी कॉल इन्फ्लेशन. एंड इफ एट अ बेस प्राइस, ओके, बेस प्राइस कुछ भी हो सकता है, दैट आई विल डिस्कस फर्दर. ओके, एंड उससे अगर कोई कम आया डिफ्लेशन. ओके, हिंदी में आप कह सकते हैं महंगाई हो गया एक, फिर महंगाई से कम हो गया डिफ्लेशन. ओके, and also you have to study about the various taxes, economic criteria, then applying present birth analysis technique. Okay, multiple alternative you have to study this. Next module 7 you have to study what is the things. Okay, so module name is the uncertainty in future event. Okay, wait, I'm showing. Okay, so yeah, so module 7 is the uncertainty in the future event. Then you have to basically further you have to study about the various economic and analysis range of estimate, probability, joint probability, distribution, expected value, then economic decision tree, risk versus return, simulation, real option. So these are the things that you have to study in the module 7. Coming to our next, that is the module 8. So in module 8 is basically completely about the depreciation. Okay, so short form बता दें depreciation when the price of a particular good decrease, that we call it a depreciation. Let us take example. Okay, ऐसे मैं डिटेल में बताऊंगा बट आपको शॉर्ट में बताता हूँ depreciation क्या होता है. सपोज you have a basically about a smartphone in a particular year, or you can say 2003 or 2004. Then after certain interval of time, or you can say 2005, 2006, or after 4 to 5 years, you can clearly visualize that price of that smartphone basically decrease. So that we call it depreciation. Okay, so detail में पढ़ेंगे depreciation, where we will study about the basic aspect, deterioration, obsolescence. Okay, then depreciation and expenses, type of property, depreciation calculation. Okay, these are the things that you will study. Later you will study about the capital allowance method, straight line method, depreciation, declining balance. These are the things that you will study. मैं डिटेल में बात करूँगा. Okay, मैं डिटेल में जाऊँगा नहीं, but just I am giving you an overview. Next, that is the module 9. Okay, so in module 9 basically you have to study the replacement analysis, where you will study the what is the role of replacement analysis, how replacement analysis works, then cost life of a new asset. Okay, how basically the value of a cost determined, what is marginal cost, what is minimum cost life problem. These are the things that you will study in module 9. And last module, that is the module 10, where you will study about the accounting. Very important things and very important module. In final exam almost 10 to 15 marks your source question आता है guys. Okay, so I will also provide some question bank by the various important things in further. Okay, and for that you can join our telegram group or whatsapp group for notes. Okay, क्योंकि मैं वहीं पर ये सब ppt भी शेयर करूंगा, notes भी शेयर करूंगा. Okay, so must support and subscribe, and you can join our whatsapp group or telegram group. So in accounting basically you will study what is the basic things of accounting. Okay, then you will study about the balance sheet, then income statement, financial ratio, capital transaction, cost accounting, direct cost and indirect cost. Okay, so what is the basically difference between direct cost and indirect cost? These are the things that you will study. coming to the next, some of the important point that I want to tell you about this course guys, that there will be a basically new lecture on every Wednesday and Saturday. Okay, अगर कभी लेट हो जाएगा तो guys I am sorry for that. Okay, but I will try to upload every week these two lecture, that is on Wednesday and Saturday. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स गाइस, यू हैव टू सपोर्ट आवर चैनल. ओके, क्योंकि आप लोग का सपोर्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. ट्राई टू शेयर दिस चैनल बिकॉज दिस चैनल विल बी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड शेयर विद मोर नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल so that we can help more number of students, and basically your support is very very important to flourish this basically playlist. Okay, and you can also, I will said that you can join our Telegram or WhatsApp group for getting notes. Okay, so this is complete detail about our first lecture. Okay, and you can give your suggestion in this, such as भैया कि आपको हिंदी में बोलना चाहिए, इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहिए, और any other suggestion, then you can basically suggest our that, and आप जरूर कमेंट करके बताएं कैसा लगा फर्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, एंड आई विल बेसिकली अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सजेशन आई विल ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव इन फर्दर लेक्चर. ओके, सो आई होप informative to you. If you haven't doubt related to anything, feel free to ask your comment here. I will basically try to reply your things as soon as possible. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.